You guys made it to the last social studies unit of the semester. So this unit we're going to be talking about jobs, and we're going to focus on the value of work. So you are expected to describe the tools of various jobs and the characteristics of a job well done, well performed, and describe how various jobs contribute to the production of goods and services. So far we've learned about what goods and services are, how we use goods and services to fulfill our needs. And so now we're going to look at what jobs are going to help us get these goods and services to other people. So the first thing I want you to do is take your vocational interest assessment. And what you're going to do is you're going to look at these options, and you're going to put a circle over which one you like more. So to do the circle, I'm going to come up to shapes. I'm going to grab the shape and I'm going to grab the circle. And so I'm going to think, which one do I like more? Do I like indoors or do I like outdoors? Do I like small group or a large group? And again, you'll just put a little shape over the one you want. Do you want to do something in a retail store or an office? Would you like to have different jobs or doing the same job over and over again? Would you like to be hands-on or more clerical where you're doing more writing and off-site? Would you like to work in the mornings or would you like to work in the evenings? Would you like a job that's noisy or a job that's very, very quiet? Would you like to do physical work or light work? Would you like to work with computers or paper? Would you want to wear a uniform or a no uniform? Would you like a job that involves sitting down or a job that involves walking around? Would you like one that involves more of animals or people? Would you like one that you work with people or work by yourself? Would you like one that you get paid for or that you volunteer, you donate your time and energy? Would you like something that's full-time or all day, or would you like something that's part of the day? When you're done with that, I want you to think about what jobs would that be. Would you end up being something more like a chef, a construction worker, a doctor, a firefighter, a veterinarian, a plumber, a police officer, a scientist, a teacher, or maybe another job? So then what you're going to do is you're going to go through these videos, and I want you to choose at least three of these careers to explore. Then I want you to tell me which job would help you with your good or service and why. So if you are selling mangoes, which of these jobs would probably help you sell mangoes? And if your job's not listed, you're welcome to think of another job, even if yours is not listed. And you're going to tell me why that job would be good to sell mangoes. You're going to tell me what career you would like when you grow up and why. So you're going to tell me the job you want for what you're selling or you're building or your goods and service, and then you're going to tell me what you want to be and why. I want to be a veterinarian because I like working with animals, or I want to be a police officer because I want to keep people safe, or I want to be a teacher because I want to help others learn. And then you're going to choose a card from this pile and tell me what goods and services will that job need. Why will they need those goods and services? And so I have tons of cards in here. I have lots and lots of choices for you. Architect, baker, magician, pilot, flight attendant, farmer. I tried to put things you like: scientist, soldier, secretary, driver, photographer, postman, police officer, professor, reporter, broker, archaeologist, librarian, singer, cook, firefighter, musician, coach, banker, nutritionist, actor or actress, dancer. So I have all these different careers, and I want you to just choose one, and you can kind of flip through them, and then tell me what goods and services are they going to need, and why are they going to need those goods and services. For example, a dentist is going to need a dental chair, so you can have a place to sit down. That's a good. He's going to need water to clean out your teeth, and toothpaste and toothbrush. He's going to need a dental hygienist to clean your teeth. That's a service job. And that is going to be your social studies for the last unit. Let me know if you have questions.